How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WhatsApp call not showing on display. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is let's head over and check our notification settings for WhatsApp. Open up open up your settings and then simply scroll down until you find notifications. Tap on that and right here search for WhatsApp. So it's gonna be quite some down, so let me search for that. There we go. Now here, make sure that you've allowed notification for WhatsApp. If after you've done that, make sure that all the notification setting is enabled and check if that fixes your problem. If not, head over to your settings again, come back to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and there find WhatsApp. So let me search for WhatsApp, and after you found WhatsApp, tap on offload app and then offload the app. After that, reinstall the app, and what that does is it will simply clear out the cache memory of your WhatsApp. After doing that, you can then try to use your WhatsApp again, and that should fix the issue. If not, update the app once, so to make sure that the bugs are not causing this. So search for WhatsApp on your app store. After you search for WhatsApp, if there is an update available like this, tap on update, and updates come with bug fixes and patches, so that should fix your issue as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.